All right, so now we're coming to the last session of um, the workshop, the Near Wallet Bundlr Arweave workshop with the Public Square app. And before we get into deploying to Arweave, I first want to follow up with the previous session. We couldn't get the owner address link to work, and basically the issue was I had a typo in the API build query. I was missing a quote at the end here, um, and that was why it wasn't working. Now we can go and filter on an address, owner address, and see that it's working, which is pretty cool. Okay. Um, Cool. So we've got our app, and now what we want to do is we want to deploy to Arweave. Now, this does require an Arweave wallet and some R to do so, and a tool called RKB. Maybe in the future, we can take the Bundlr network and build a CLI that would essentially take a near wallet and upload the dApp to Arweave. That's certainly doable. So hopefully, if you're interested in this, happy to chat about kind of taking that on and building kind of a near CLI that can do the same thing. But in this case, we do need R and Arweave wallet. We can generate a wallet um, using the R SDK and then throw some funds in it. But we need something. Um, so to get started, the first thing we'll do is build our application. So we'll take what we've got to date and we'll just open a new terminal window and we'll just run npm run build, which will actually build the application and put it in the build directory. Then we're going to install a CLI tool called RKB, ARKB. And that tool will basically take all the files in the build directory and upload them to Arweave so that we will have a full permaweb application. That means the public square app we built will actually exist on the Arweave network called the permaweb, and it will be there forever, right? So we're going to install ARKB, and then we'll jump through the process of adding a wallet and um, you know working through deploying this app to the gateway. So let's see if I can upload. Try to upload my little wallet here. So wallet is a JSON JWK file, and um, basically all we need to do is upload it or have it in our path. Now, it's pretty important not to upload that to GitHub or anything like that, right? You want to kind of keep that private and also, keep low funds in it. You'll see I don't have a lot of R in that. So if it does get compromised, someone, it may just be a couple of cents or whatever. So let's um, let's go through the process now. We've built our app, and what we need to do now is just call ARKB and the .build directory, and just type build, and then we pass in our wallet, and we're gonna do my wallet. Uh, Let me make sure I'm in the source directory because I think I uploaded it to source. Oops. Let's do this. That'll be easier. Okay, so we're going to type ARKB um, build and then wallet, my wallet, and I think that should be it. Okay, maybe we do need to give it the path. Oh, I'm leaving out the command, right? So ARKB deploy build wallet, my wallet.json. Okay, so this is telling it to deploy and it's preparing the files and it's gonna build a manifest and I'm getting a total fee of not a number, so let me try to do that again. Okay, so cool. So it's going to take all of our files. You can see all the files here, and then it's also going to create this manifest file. And the manifest file acts like a router, and it says, you know, index points to this file. Um, this image file points to this Arweave ID. So it kind of maps each one of these files to an Arweave ID, and it acts as a router on our gateway. So we've got that, and we can see our current balance. And after the deploy, it's really, really cheap, right? So this is below a penny here. So let's do yes. And now it's going to upload the files. And there we go. There is our Arweave net URL. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to open up a new tab here and paste the link up in the new tab. And it does take maybe a little bit of time to show up. So we'll take that. But as it goes, give it a little time to post on the Arweave network. And actually, I think a really cool thing is um, ARKB can use Bundlr, so you can use the Bundlr network, and it's even faster to actually provision on Arweave. Um, and one of the things I think would be cool is that we could build a near, you know, CLI that kind of does the same thing as ARKB, but it, you know, uses the Bundlr network and funds the R and then pushes or uploads these files using the same process we did in the Public Square app. And I think that could be very cool. So that's it. Now you have completed this tutorial and hopefully have a Public Square app on the permaweb that uses a Near wallet. And I want to, before I go, give a huge shout out to DMAC. Um, Dan is the author of this tutorial. I refined it a little bit to work with the Near protocol, but he delivered an awesome experience for getting started with Arweave, and I just can't thank him enough for putting this together so that I can have this opportunity to go through this and show how you can use the Near protocol and connect with Arweave. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and um, you know, good luck. Thanks.